2021 Hyundai Elantra SE with 30,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Here I am again with another uncut, unedited, unfiltered, unrehearsed, off-the-cuff vehicle video. Again, 21 Elantra SE, one owner, bumper-to-bumper warranty, independently inspected. You can upgrade that factory warranty in our finance office very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right, we're not going to keep you all day like the big box dealers. Get pre-approved in and out under 20 minutes. Don't need to be here all day. We're not even going to give you a cup of coffee. Back to the car. The tires are nearly new. Love the color. Nice options. Air cruise tilt, windows locks, side airbags, touch screen, phone hookups, steering wheel controls. Looks like it's got lane keep, traction control. A lot of nice little options on these cars. This is Hyundai's competitor for the Corolla and the Civic. You get a lot of car here for less money. Again, you got the bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. Let's talk about price. I know you're going to find this car advertised for less money. But that's not what you can buy it for. A lot of dealers are going to hidden fees. Not us. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. We do have a $150 dock fee, and we're disclosing that. And guess what? This is your video coupon. Corey, give these folks a free dock fee if they show you this video. That's right, free dock fee. So let's recap. 2021 Hyundai Elantra. 30,000 miles on it. Fresh recon, fresh service. Independently inspected, factory warranty, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see, price you pay, drive it away. That is the Autorama advantage. It's different buying a car here, folks. Come and find out for yourselves.